Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the text component of Fomantic UI. The text component is made up by only a CSS file named text.css. The text class uses simple colors. By this it means it uses the Fomantic UI colors, which if you are not aware of, you can go to the site page into the color section and you can see all the colors which Fomantic provides, and also as class names. If you want to add more custom colors with specific class names, you can do that by adding the code inside the site variables file. So let's get started. On my desktop I have a text folder which inside of it contains an index.html file and also an assets folder which contains all of my Fomantic UI, CSS and JS files, and also the jQuery file. Inside here, because the text component is only built by a text.css file, you don't need to include the jQuery file. So first of all, I'm going to copy this chunk of HTML code which is going to render this output, and then I'll paste it inside my body tag. Then I'm going to add a link tag so that I can add the text.css file to my index file. My text.css file is located inside the assets folder, inside the Fomantic UI CSS folder, and inside the components, which you can see right here. So I'm going to go and add that. Then I'm going to refresh my page and you can see the output right here. If you look exactly at the code, you can see that it doesn't quite look the same as the output right here, and that's because I haven't added the segment class, as you can see, which is used inside of the HTML code. In order to do that, I can easily add another link file and add the segment CSS class to it. Then I will render the page again, and you can see you get the exact output which you see right here. The only two notes which is right here is that you should use the text class only inside of a span tag, and also you should always have the UI class inside of it. That's because if you go to the text.css class, you can see that all of the colors used inside of the code starts with the span tag and also the UI class. So if you omit one of these, for example, if you use a div element or if you do not use the UI class, the color would not take effect. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the sizes which the text can vary in. It varies in the same sizes as the icon sizes. The sizes are from mini to massive. So if I copy the code right here and replace it in my HTML file, you can easily see all the sizes that it supports.